Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we have discussed the topic from that was the last topic we discussed was money matters. Okay, so in that topic we have discussed about the different currencies of the different country. Okay, अलग अलग countries की जो different currencies है, we have discussed about that. Okay, so in today's session we are going to discuss about the next topic, and sorry for my voice in advance because I'm suffering with the severe cough and cold, so little bit the voice will be hazy, but I'm trying my best to explain it well. Okay, so the topic is inventions go places. So this is the next topic that I'm going to discuss in today's session. Okay, this is given at page number 36. Okay, so all of you open your books at page number 36, that is inventions go places. So I'm just writing the topic on the board. Okay, this is given at page number 36, that is inventions go places. This is the topic. Okay, and this is given at page number 36, inventions go places. So what is the meaning of the topic, okay, or what we are going to discuss in this topic? Let's talk about it first. So in this topic, first of all, we will discuss about the various inventions of different machines, okay, that has made our life easier. Okay, so various inventions that has taken place over the different period of time, and they had a great impact in our lives. Okay, so we will discuss about the various machines like the vehicles, motor vehicles that have been developed during the different period. Okay, so here I'm starting with the first one, that is James Watt. So the first inventor that I'm talking about is that he is James Watt. Now who is James Watt? James Watt, an inventor from Scotland, developed steam engine in the 18th century. Okay, so now the here it is given that James Watt. Okay, so the inventor is James Watt and the invention is steam engine. So James Watt has invented the steam engine, and James Watt belonged to the Scotland. Okay, so he invented the steam engine. Okay, in the 18th century, 18वीं सदी में उन्होंने steam engine की जो invention की थी. ओके, स्टीम इंजन क्या है बेटा? स्टीम इंजन्स वो होते हैं जैसे कि दोज हु रन विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्टीम. स्टीम के लिए वो क्या करते हैं? ओके, वो तो वो लोग क्या करते थे? दे जस्ट ब्लो the coal into the arc pit in the fire pit. Okay, they just threw the coal into it, and जिसकी वजह से स्टीम जो पैदा होती थी उसकी वजह से जो वो इंजन्स थे वो चलते थे. ओके, सो दैट आर नोन एज स्टीम इंजन. सो इंजन्स दोज हु मूव्ड, okay, that was the first engine that was developed. Okay, and that was steam engine. So steam engine was developed by James Watt. So I'm writing that invention and the inventors. So here I'm talking about the inventor. Okay, here I'm just giving the topic heading inventor, and here I'm giving the heading that is inventions. Inventions. Okay, the topic is inventor and here it is inventions. Okay, so the name of the inventor is James Watt, and James Watt has invented steam engine. Okay, so the first is James Watt. Okay, so he is the inventor. James Watt invented steam engine. Steam engine. Okay. Now the topic, the thing that you have to learn from this topic is जेम्स वॉट. आपको इन्वेंटर और उसकी इन्वेंशंस के नेम लर्न करने हैं. सो इट्स गुड. ओके, आपके लिए भी अच्छा होगा बेटा लर्न करना, so that you can write the answer. You can write like this in your notebook. Okay, so in which you have prepared the आपको जिसमें in which you have prepared your assignments for the GK. So at एक जगह पे एक साइड पे इन्वेंटर्स लिख लीजिए, दूसरी साइड पे इन्वेंशंस लिख लीजिए, so that it will be easy for you to learn it as well. Clear? चलिए, so James Watt has invented steam engine. Moving next to the second one. Do you know how motorcycles were invented? In 1884, Edward Butler attached a motor to a tricycle. Okay, and the next year, Gottlieb Daimler of Germany attached a small petrol-run engine to a bicycle. These two were the first motorcycles. Okay, so here now we are talking about the motorcycles. So you must have seen the motorcycles. आपने motorcycles देखी होंगी बेटा. So in this we are talking about those motorcycles. Okay, do you know how motorcycles were invented? तो जो motorcycles थी, इनकी inventions कैसे हुई थी? Okay, in 1884, Edward Butler attached a motor to a tricycle. तो Edward Butler ने क्या किया था? उन्होंने एक जो ट्राईसाइकिल मीन 3 पहियों वाली जो साइकिल होती है, ओके, दैट इज नोन एज ट्राईसाइकिल. सो एडवर्ड बटलर हैज़ अटैच्ड एन इंजन टू अ ट्राईसाइकिल. ओके, एंड उसके नेक्स्ट ईयर गॉटलिब डैमलर. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट इज द गॉटलिब डैमलर. ओके, जो कि जर्मनी के थे, उन्होंने एक पेट्रोल से चलने वाले इंजन को एक बाईसाइकिल से अटैच कर दिया था. ओके, सो दिस इज़ हाउ द मोटरसाइकिल वॉज इन्वेंटेड. यू नो, मोटरसाइकिल और साइकिल में क्या डिफरेंस होता है बेटा? द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मोटरसाइकिल एंड द साइकिल इज दैट वी ड्राइव मोटरसाइकिल मैनुअली. हम मैनुअली जो मोटरसाइकिल जो साइकिल्स हैं हम उसको मैनुअली चलाते हैं, पैडल्स मार के वी ड्राइव द साइकिल. सो वेयर एज द मोटरसाइकिल रन्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ द पेट्रोल. ओके, जो पेट्रोल इंजन होता है उसकी हेल्प से जो मोटरसाइकिल है वो चलता है. ओके, सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द वर्किंग ऑफ साइकिल and the motorcycle. Okay, so the motorcycles was invented by firstly Edward Butler ने क्या किया था? उन्होंने एक ट्राईसाइकिल से, 3 पहिए वाली ट्राईसाइकिल से उन्होंने उसके साथ एक मोटर अटैच कर दी थी. वेयर एज अगले साल जर्मनी में ओके, जो गॉटलिब डैमलर थे, उन्होंने जर्मनी के जो गॉटलिब डैमलर थे, उन्होंने एक बाईसाइकिल के साथ एक पेट्रोल से चलने वाला इंजन जो है अटैच कर दिया था. ओके, जिसकी वजह से जो मोटर बाइक्स जो आजकल हमने देखी हैं, दैट वाज इन्वेंटेड. ओके, एंड हियर द पिक्चर ऑफ द फर्स्ट मोटरसाइकिल इज गिवन. दिस इज द पिक्चर of the first motorcycle that is given in your book, and here they have written as well, the first motorcycle by Gottlieb Daimler. The first motorcycle by Gottlieb Daimler. Okay, so who is the inventor of motorcycle? That is main is Gottlieb Daimler. That is Gottlieb Daimler. So Gottlieb Daimler, GOTTLIEB, Gottlieb Daimler. He is the inventor of motorcycle. He is the inventor of motorcycle. He is the inventor of motorcycle. Okay, so motorcycle किसने invent की थी? Gottlieb Daimler. Okay, बेटा. So these were the 2 most important inventions from the history of science. Next is inventor we are talking about, that is Carl Benz. So now we are talking about Carl Benz from Germany. Designed the first practical automobile powered by a petrol run engine in 1885. He named it motor wagon. So now we are talking about the motor wagon. Okay, so who invented the motor wagon? So motor wagon is the invention of Carl Benz. So Carl Benz from Germany designed the first practical automobile. जो कार्ल बेंज थे बेटा, ही वॉज फ्रॉम जर्मनी. ओके, सो ही बिलोंग्स टू जर्मनी एंड इन्होंने सबसे पहला इन्होंने सबसे पहला जो ऑटोमोबाइल दैट द मोटर वैगन दैट वॉज इन्वेंटेड बाय हिम. ओके, सो इन्होंने क्या किया था, he has attached a motor to a petrol run engine to a motor wagon. ओके, सॉरी, ही उन्होंने एक पेट्रोल से चलने वाला इंजन उन्होंने एक ऑटोमोबाइल के साथ अटैच कर दिया था. ओके, ओके, इन द ईयर 1885. ओके, एंड लेटर ऑन ही नेम्ड इट एज मोटर वैगन. मोटर वैगन मीन्स जैसे कि आप लोग कार्स वगैरह देखते हो, तो दे आर नोन एज द मोटर वैगन. ओके, सो कार्ल बेंज जो थे, जो कि जर्मनी के थे, उन्होंने एक सबसे पहला जो मोटर वैगन है वो जो कि पेट्रोल से चलने वाला मोटर वैगन है डिवेल्प किया था. ओके, सो दैट वाज कार्ल बेंज हु हैज़ मेड दिस ग्रेट इन्वेंशन. ओके, ओके, द in the year 1885 and he also named it as motor wagon. उन्होंने इसको बाद में मोटर वैगन नाम भी दिया था. सो दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ द फर्स्ट मोटर वैगन यू कैन सी हेयर. सो दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ फर्स्ट मोटर वैगन. ओके, सबसे पहला मोटर वैगन यही है बेटा. ओके, एंड दिस वाज इन्वेंटेड बाय कार्ल बेंज. ओके, मोटर वैगन मीन्स देखिए मोटर से चलने वाला एक वैगन. ओके, मोटर से चलने वाला एक वैगन दैट इज नोन एज मोटर वैगन. ओके, तो जैसे कि जैसे हम कार की बात करें, ठीक है, 4 व्हीलर्स जिसको हम बोलते हैं, 3 व्हीलर्स जो हम ऑटो वगैरह, जो 3 व्हीलर्स या 4 व्हीलर्स जो होते हैं. ओके, तो दे ऑल रन विद मोटर. ओके, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द साइकिल रिक्शास. आजकल वैसे साइकिल रिक्शा भी आजकल वो टम टम जो आती है आपने देखी होगी, दैट ऑल्सो रन्स with this motor. Okay, so these all are the motor wagons. Okay, those that runs with the petrol engine. Okay, so the who invented the motor wagon, that is Carl Benz. Okay, the third one is Carl, K-A-R-L, Carl Benz, B-E-N-Z. Carl Benz invented motor wagon. Carl Benz invented motor wagon. Carl Benz invented wagon. Clear? Moving next to the fourth one. The Wright brothers, Orville and the Wilbur, were two American brothers who invented and built the world's first aeroplane. They were also the first to fly the plane for only 12 seconds and for a distance of 37 meters. Okay, so now we are talking about the one of the great inventions in the world, that is the aeroplane. Okay, so who invented aeroplane? That was the Wright brothers. ठीक है, ये दो भाई थे. Okay, and their name were Orville and the Wilbur. So these are the name of the two brothers, Orville and the Wilbur. Okay, Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright. So they were known as the Wright brothers, and they were the two brothers, those who invented the aeroplane. Okay, इन्होंने दुनिया का सबसे पहला एरोप्लेन बनाया था. ओके, एंड दैट एरोप्लेन, वो जो एरोप्लेन था वो आसमान में सिर्फ 12 सेकेंड्स के लिए उड़ा था, लेकिन ड्यूरिंग दैट 12 सेकेंड्स इट हैज़ कवर्ड नियर अबाउट a distance of 37 meters. Okay, so that the aeroplane that they made to fly first time into the sky, that flight for near about the 12 seconds only, but during that 12 seconds it has covered near about the distance of 37 meter. Okay, so the Wright brothers, that is Orville Wright and the Wilbur Wrights, they were the first person, they were the two American brothers who has invented, इन्होंने invent भी किया था और बनाया भी था. They have invented and built the world's first aeroplane. Okay, Okay, so that is so the inventors of the first aeroplane is Wright brothers. Okay, so you can see the picture here as well. This is the picture, and here the heading is given the first flight of the Wright brothers. So this is the first flight of the Wright brothers as well. This is the first aeroplane, the picture of first aeroplane that you can see on book. Okay, तो सबसे पहला एरोप्लेन चलाने वाले और सबसे पहला एरोप्लेन इन्वेंट और बनाने वाले जो दो भाई थे, दैट वाज फ्रॉम अमेरिका एंड दे वर नोन एज द राइट ब्रदर्स. ओके, अगर आपको लिखा आता है क्वेश्चन, सपोज द क्वेश्चन इज दैट हु इन्वेंटेड एरोप्लेन और द फर्स्ट एरोप्लेन, दैट विल बी द राइट ब्रदर्स. ओके, आप चाहें तो इसको ऑर्बिलिव राइट एंड विल्बर राइट भी लिखेंगे, दैट विल ऑल्सो बी करेक्ट. सो इन स्पाइट ऑफ लर्निंग देयर नेम्स, so but chances of spelling mistake is high here, so you can write the Wright brothers. Okay, so the two American brothers are the Wright brothers. Okay, Wright brothers, WRIGHT. so this Wright is their surname. Okay, ये इनकी surname है Wright brothers. Wright brothers, they invented first aeroplane. Okay, they invented the first aeroplane. Aeroplane right below. They invented the first aeroplane. Okay, they invented the first aeroplane. That is the Wright brothers. So these are the answers from 1 to 4. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks, and just make sure beta that you all note it down in your notebooks where you have done your earlier assignments, because आपको learn करना easy होगा अगर आप अपने आप कॉपी में अलग से इन्वेंटर और उनकी इन्वेंशंस की लिस्ट लिख लोगे. क्लियर? चलिए, मूविंग नेक्स्ट टू द फिफ्थ वन. That is, now we will talk about the engine. How invented? अभी अब तक हमने जेम्स वॉट थे, ही इन्वेंटेड द स्टीम इंजन. ओके, अब अभी हमने स्टीम इंजन के बारे में बात की थी. Now let's see about what engine we are going to talk about in the next topic. Sorry, the next paragraph. Richard Trevithick of Britain built the first working railway engine. So now we are talking about the first railway engine. ओके, सो द सबसे पहला रेलवे इंजन किसने बनाया था? दैट वाज इन्वेंटेड बाय द रिचर्ड ट्रेविथिक. ओके, द रिचर्ड ट्रेविथिक, ही इज द इन्वेंटर ऑफ द फर्स्ट वर्किंग रेलवे इंजन. ओके, एंड ही इन्वेंटेड दैट रेलवे इंजन इन द ईयर 1803. It is powered by the steam. In the 1820s, George Stephenson designed and built the first steam locomotive to carry goods and the passengers. Okay, so देखिए ये जो जेम्स वॉट थे, इन्होंने इंजन बनाया था. एंड नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रेलवे इंजन. ओके, देखिए इंजन वो रेलवे इंजन ही नहीं होता है, इसके अलावा और भी बहुत सारे इंजन होते हैं, जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा जैसे गाड़ी का इंजन होता है. ठीक है, तो उसको भी आप इंजन ही बोलते हैं. सो हियर दिस इज द रेलवे इंजन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट रेलवे इंजन, द वर्किंग रेलवे इंजन वॉज इन्वेंटेड बाय रिचर्ड ट्रेविथिक. Okay, so Richard Trevithick, he has invented the first railway engine. Okay, and George Stephenson, he has invented and he has built and designed the first steam locomotive. Locomotive is used for the railway engines. Okay, so this is a word that is being used for the railway engines. So George Stephenson designed and built the first steam locomotive to carry goods and passengers और goods ले जाने के लिए जॉर्ज स्टेफेंसन ने सबसे पहला जो लोकोमोटिव्स था वो इन्वेंट किया था in the year 1820s. Okay, so you can see the picture of the first working railway engine that was invented by Richard Trevithick. Okay, that is the first railway engine that was invented by Richard Trevithick. Okay, and उसके बाद Richard Trevithick, he has invented the first railway engine in the year 1803. Okay, सो रिचर्ड था व्यक्ति देखे के बाद इन द 1820s में, जब 1820s था जो पूरा वो डिकेड था, उस दौरान जॉर्ज स्टेफेंसन, ही इज़ द सेकेंड पर्सन हु हैज़ डिज़ाइंड एंड बिल्ड द फर्स्ट स्टीम लोकोमोटिव. Okay, so Richard Trevithick has invented the first working railway engine, whereas the George Stephenson has invented the first steam locomotive. And locomotive is the word that is used in the railways for the engines only. Okay, and that locomotive is used for carrying the goods and the passenger. और जो वो locomotive उन्होंने बनाया था वो goods, सामान और पैसेंजर्स को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता था. Okay, so here we have learned about the two things. The first, okay, एक हमने लिखा, the first thing that is Richard Trevithick, Trevithick. Richard Trevithick, he has invented the first working, now you can just write work railway engine. Okay, he has invented the first railway engine. Okay, whereas the George Stephenson, George, George Stephenson, he has invented the first steam locomotive. Now he has invented the first steam locomotive. He has invented the first steam locomotive. Okay, so these two things that we have learned in this paragraph. The steam engine, Richard Trevithick has invented the railway engine. Okay, whereas the George Stephenson, he has invented the steam locomotive. Clear? Moving next to the 7th one, the last paragraph that is given in the book. The modern tricycle, a three-wheel chair, was developed in the year 1655 by the Stefan Pfaffler, a disabled watchmaker in Germany. He used it as a wheelchair to move around. The first tricycle with pedals was built by two French, Blanchard and the Maguire, in the year 1789. Okay, so here now we are talking about another great inventions for the people who are physically disabled, that is a tricycle. Okay, जिसको हम बोलते हैं, ओके, जिसको ट्राईसाइकिल और व्हील चेयर, जिसको आपने सुना होगा, व्हील चेयर आपने तो सुना होगा. सो देखिए, यू मस्ट हैव सीन द व्हील चेयर इज़ बीइंग यूज्ड फॉर कैरिंग द patients, as well as that is being used by the people who are physically disabled, those who are not able to walk. Okay, so that is being used by them. So here we are talking about the wheelchair. Okay, so wheelchair किसने इन्वेंट की थी बेटा? This wheelchair was invented by a disabled watchmaker in Germany. तो देखिए, जर्मनी के ही disabled means that person who can't walk, मतलब disabled, they have not mentioned their disability. वो एक disabled watchmaker थे. He was not able to move around here and there. So that's why for making for his movement easier or making himself movable very easily, he invented this wheelchair. Okay, and his name is Stefan Pfaffler. और वो इस व्हील चेयर को ही यूज़ इट फॉर मूविंग हेयर एंड देयर, वो इस व्हील चेयर को इधर उधर जाने के लिए यूज़ करते थे. सो दैट इज़ द मॉडर्न ट्राईसाइकिल, अ थ्री व्हील चेयर वॉज डिवेल्प्ड इन द ईयर 1655 बाय द स्टेफन फार्फलर. ओके, अ डिसेबल्ड वॉच मेकर इन जर्मनी. उसके अलावा सबसे पहले जो ट्राईसाइकिल थी, दैट इज़ जो कि छोटे बच्चे चलाते हैं पैडल्स वाली, ओके, वो किसने इन्वेंट की? द फर्स्ट ट्राईसाइकिल विद पैडल्स वॉज बिल्ट बाय द टू फ्रेंचमैन. ये फ्रेंच के दो लोगों ने मिलकर इन्वेंट की थी, दैट इज Blanchard and the Maguire. Blanchard and the Maguire, they have invented the first tricycle with pedals. Okay, so again in this also we have learned about the two inventions. Okay, so first is that as wheelchair, that is stepper, STEPHAN. Stephan, Pavlov, FARFLER. Okay, that is invented by, he has invented the wheelchair. Okay, so he has invented the wheelchair. Okay, just write it. And the second one I will write after erasing it. This is 5th, 6th and 7th, the three inventions and the three inventors. Okay, let's write one more that I am writing it here. The 8th one. The next was 8th is ये किस the Blanchard, BLANCHARD and MAGUIER. Blanchard and Maguire, they have invented first. They had invented the first tricycle with pedals. They had invented the first tricycle with pedals. Okay, so these are the great inventions and the inventors, those who have made the great contribution to the world for making our life easier. Now moving next to the quick quiz, let's do it fast. Can you name these vehicles? So here the pictures of the vehicles, so pictures of the various vehicles is given. Okay, and we have to name that which picture is this, about what is the name of this vehicle. The first is, this is a railway system where a train runs on a track with one rail only, either above or beneath the railway cars. Okay, so now जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, that is railway. This is also a railway system. Okay, जिसमें the train runs on a single track. वो एक single track पे चलती है. Okay, या तो ऊपर या तो नीचे रेलवे कार्स के. Okay, so what is the name of that railway? That is monorail. That is, the first one is, that is monorail. That is monorail. चलिए, second one is a form of transportation where a cabin hangs from one cable and is pulled by another cable. Okay, so that is another form of transportation. Okay, through which जिसमें एक cabin लटका होता है एक केबल से, और फिर दो cables होती हैं जो कि केबल के ऊपर एक cabin लटका होता है. Okay, and that is a, what is that? That is a ropeway. A cabin that is hanged over a rope and pulled by the another cable. So what is that? That is a ropeway. So the second vehicle that we are talking about, that is ropeway. That is ropeway. ठीक है, moving next to the third one. This vehicle can travel over both land and water. So the next vehicle we are talking about, it can travel on land as well as in water as well. So what is the name of that vehicle? That is hovercraft. So hovercraft can move on land as well as in water. So that is hovercraft. That is hovercraft. Chaliye, moving next to the fourth one. This vehicle is used for used by astronauts and the space explorers. So next vehicle जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, जो कि एस्ट्रोनॉट्स और एक्सप्लोरर्स, स्पेस एक्सप्लोरर्स यूज़ करते हैं, स्पेस में जाने के लिए यूज़ होता है. ओके, और ये एस्ट्रोनॉट्स उसमें जाते हैं. दैट इज़ अ स्पेस शटल. ओके, जिसको आप रॉकेट बोलते हैं नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में, बट इट्स अ स्पेस शटल. स्पेस शटल. Okay, so these are the answers from the quick quiz given at page number 36. Okay, class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a good day.